Merry Christmas! Woo! You're celebrating Christmas with your young one and you're looking for easy crafts to do with them. We are so excited and we have a special guest. Erin, do you want to introduce her?
This is my beautiful daughter, Ember.
Hi, Ember. Hi. Oh.
She's a little shy right now, but she is 2.5 years old. So this is how a 2.5-year-old will work with this craft.
What's up? I'm Liana.
And I'm Erin.
And we're a Mom's Best Friend, the YouTube channel
to help make your mom life a little bit easier.
If you like what you see today, be sure to like and subscribe.
And comment below if you have any other Christmas craft ideas that we could do.
Do you celebrate any other holidays around this time of year? Let us know in the comments if you celebrate Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, or another holiday. Let us know.
So to begin the craft, we don't really want to get any paint or any dirtiness on the table, so make sure you lay down like newspapers or something to cover it. We have napkins, so we're gonna lay down a napkin. Yay, Ember! Okay, so next you're gonna need, okay, so next you're gonna need a plate, some glitter, and some paint. I recommend paint of the same color so that it'll all be green instead of splotchy. And then lastly, a bulb that can fit your toddler's hand or your baby's hand. You ready? Okay, so first we're going to squirt off this washable paint, and it's non-toxic. We're gonna squirt a little bit on the plate. Oh yeah.
I love that color green. Do you, Ember? Yeah, what's your favorite color?
Green. Yeah.
Green.
You see the glitter? Okay, give me your hand, and we're gonna mush it.
Ooh, is it cold?
Okay, now we gotta make sure all the tops of the fingers are covered.
It's such a good sensory activity for kids, especially babies who love to like goop, like feel new textures.
Do you see that, Ember? Yeah. Now we're gonna put it on our bulb, and hopefully we won't move, okay? So when we put it on, don't move your hand, okay? Very gently. Perfect. Ready? Up. I will go ahead and put the glitter on the bulb.
Ember, have you ever had a hand massage before? Yeah? I bet your mommy does when she does your manicure. Ooh. Oh, look how beautiful that glitter is.
So
I love it.
Hopefully this will make the bulb nice and shiny.
Oh, Ember wants to touch.
So let's see.
Oh, I love it. Ember, that's your handprint.
So this is what it looks like so far. We can clean it up a little bit. It's cute, right?
Yes.
Look at your hands.
Can you put your hand in that?
And then whenever this dries, I will go ahead and write her name and the year on there.
So cute. Oh my word, show the camera your hand. Oh my goodness. That's such a good gift for a grandparent.
Yes.
Who wants like a keepsake of your baby's handprint.
Exactly. I love it too.
Here we go. Craft number 2.
Craft number 2. So we're gonna do a snowflake design with these, and this is kind of for the parent or guardian. We're going to hot glue them together in a snowflake form first, and then we're going to use glue to put down on the snowflake branches, and then we're going to use these big sequin pieces for her to stick down on the glue. Okay, you ready? So I'm pretty sure this is pretty dry now. Put these to the side. Look how pretty that is. Now this is what we're going to do. We're going to use this glue, and it's supposed to be nice and safe. And we're going to put it all over these, and you just sprinkle the gems or place the gems wherever you want them to go, okay, Ember? You can either put a magnet on the back and stick it on your fridge, or you can glue a little like ribbon on it and hang it on your tree.
Yes. You want it pretty.
Look at this. You can do like that too and sprinkle them on. Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, awesome. I love it.
Keep going. You gotta
Keep
do
going, the whole thing. Do you want us to help you?
You too?
Nice.
Are you having fun? Oh, very nice. Thank you.
So beautiful. Ember, look at your snowflake star. I love it.
Is it pretty?
Are you gonna hang that on a tree or are you gonna hang it on the fridge? Which one?
Which one?
The fridge? Yeah.
Good job, Ember. High five.
Woo! Here we go.
There we go.
Go. Craft number 3. Craft number 3.
Yes. So we're going to need some white paint. We're going to need some pink glitter, white glitter, some glue. I'm using the gem, one of the gems from the last craft, and some googly eyes.
Yeah, some googly eyes.
And lastly, I have a black piece of construction paper and a red piece of construction paper. Are you ready? Yes?
Me?
Yeah. This is what we're going to do, Ember. This is the white, and I'm going to squeeze a little bit out on the plate. And this is going to be another handprint deal. Oh, she's ready. She knows what to do already. Oh yeah, mush it nice and around.
Nice. Ember, is it cold? Yeah. I love to paint with my hands.
Okay,
Spread your fingers.
spread your fingers, Ember, like this. Wide, wide, wide,
Move your fingers apart.
wide. Perfect. Okay. Now put them straight. Put it straight. Boom.
Boom.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, so awesome, Ember.
You like it?
I love it.
All right, let's try to put it right over. Okay. Nice. Okay.
Oh,
Perfect.
I love it.
Okay.
That looks so good.
So this is going to be Santa's beard. So what we're going to do next is get some white glitter and pour it over Santa's beard. Oh yeah, you see that? So it makes it nice and pretty. The camera, ready? Oh wow, that is so pretty. Look at that, Ember.
I love it.
Okay, so we're gonna glue on the nose. So the nose goes just right above the handprint. Like that, some glue. And I'm going to use this red gem from the other one and stick it right on there.
Nice.
Just like that.
Nice.
Nice. I like it.
Now we're gonna,
I need help.
yes, I want you to stick these two on, okay?
Okay.
All right, let me put some glue dots right here and right here. And put one of the eyes on one of them. Let me bring it closer to you. Nice.
Santa's got pretty eyes.
And the other one. All right. Yay!
I love it.
And let's do it again.
It is so
I
cute.
love
And
it.
let's do it again.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, we got to do a little bit more first and then we can do it again. Okay, so we have our red construction piece of paper and we want to cut it out in the shape of Santa's hat. So we're going to use our scissors. Okay.
I love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, it's so cute.
We'll go ahead and glue this on. I'll just glue it on the back of this so I don't have to guess where it's gonna go. Glue it. And do you want to help me press it down, Ember?
Yeah.
I think this is good. Help me press it down. Push it. Yeah. Oh.
Nice.
Nice work,
And
Ember.
let's do it again.
Oh, so cute. I'm just imagining like a relative getting this for Christmas and how excited they would be. Almost done. Love it.
Not the whole hand. Let's just do just the finger. Okay?
Okay.
Just one finger.
like this.
One finger.
Like this.
And put it in. And then I'm just going to do the fur lining of the hat and the little puff ball.
I love it.
So like in a straight line, like that. And then a little ball the eyes.
Oh, so cute.
Little ball
Like
at
this.
the top.
You're making like Mommy's Santa hat.
Like that.
Cute.
Okay.
I
Hold
like
on.
it.
Oh yeah, we'll probably need a little bit more for down here. Perfect. Oh no, the eye. We lost an eye, Ember. Okay, we lost an eye. We got paint in the eyes. Okay.
Cute.
Now let's put a little bit of glitter on there to make it nice and fancy. You like that?
Yeah, let's do it
You
again.
want to do it again? Okay.
So fun.
I'm gonna pour this off. Oh yeah, look at that. We got a Santa now. Last part, we're gonna just use glue.
Oh, never mind.
Okay,
Just glue. Oh, you want to help Mommy with the glue?
ready? I'm gonna do this right here. And then I'm gonna do this right here. And then we're gonna put, so 2 circles for the cheeks. And then we're gonna put some glitter on it, okay? You wanna help me? Okay, sprinkle some of that over this wet spot.
Okay.
Like this.
So pretty.
And this is for his little
So pretty. Looks like sugar.
blushing cheeks. It does look like sugar. Okay, let's see what it looks like.
Let's see, just like.
All right.
Beautiful.
Here's Santa. You like it, Ember?
Yeah, let's do it again.
Here we go. Craft number 4.
Yes. So this craft, yes. So this craft is a spin on mistletoes. We're going to use Ember's footprints. We're going to use a ribbon that we tied into a bow, and these 2 little ornaments, I would say. And we're gonna need green paint and green glitter.
Woohoo!
And,
Alright.
and a hot glue gun for that.
Doing that.
Get your washable paint. Oh man, okay. Ready for this? This is gonna feel a little weird, okay? Ready? 1, 2, and oh, Ember. You got all the toes?
Nice.
Make sure you press down on all the toes.
How's that paint feel, Ember?
Wow, so
then
cute. And then we'll do, I'll bring it over here. Then we're gonna do.
Some babies would not be able to.
Okay.
Cute.
Perfect.
Ember, I love it.
Okay. Okay, ready? We're gonna sprinkle some glitter on here, okay?
Okay.
You wanna hold this with me? Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. What color is this?
That's
What color is it?
Mommy.
Yeah, it's green.
You will be over
You
here.
wanna see it?
Yeah.
So hopefully we can just put it right back in the tube.
Really good.
So here's her little mistletoes.
Ooh,
The little footprints. So we're gonna switch to getting the hot glue gun now so that we can glue on our bow and our bulbs. So I'm just gonna put some hot glue right on the back of this bow, and I'll need another stick. I don't know where it is. Okay. That right here above the print. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put 2 dots.
Mistletoes.
All right, and I want you to I'll do it with you. I want you to very carefully,
Nothing
Oh,
says
nice.
Christmas like tons of glitter.
right here. All right, you ready? Hold on, don't touch anything because it's still a little wet. Oh no, we put it on this little glue dot all the way up here. Nice.
Good job, Ember.
Thank you, Ember.
Oh, so good.
And then all that we do now
It's
is write mistletoes at the bottom, and then Ember's name, and then the year.
love it.
Yeah.